Hi everybody, Big Poppa with a quick hit. This is one I learned on the barbecue circuit. They call them pigs in a blanket. Here we go. We're just taking some refrigerator croissants. You see there's a little pattern for it. We're gonna take these Farmer John Louisiana brand hot link sausage. I'm gonna cut them in thirds. Okay, this is really, really easy. Now I'm gonna go in here like this. I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna easily pick up the seam. Look at this. It's amazing that I can find the seam. It's really kind of like wasted talent. Put them in a greased pan. I'm using an authentic barbecue pan. If I was really at home, I'd be ruining one of my wife's cookie sheets. You need to understand that I've already had lunch and I can't wait to eat these. We're gonna put them in our Mac at 325. "17 minutes. When that beeper goes off, really good things are gonna happen. Did I make it? All right, kids, we've pulled the pigs in the blanket off the cooker. We've wrapped them in some dough that I made. Okay, it's out of a tube. But now we're gonna put the secret ingredient on. We're gonna put some Tabasco Pepper Jelly on the top. Listen, I'm out to prove that pepper jelly goes with more things than cream cheese and wheat thins. I present you with the competition breakfast of champions.